Hello traders and welcome back to another small account challenge update and trade recap. I think today we made about 12 or 13%. Placed a total of 4 trades, all winners. And we'll get right into it. First trade I placed today was on BIMI. Pretty much same thesis that we had last week on NNVC, where we had some after hours action and pretty much sit in a solid high after hours, and then the following day pre-market I wanted to see a higher move up past that after hours high. So I got up nice and early. See what time it started popping up on the scanner. It popped up at 5:49. Nothing was going on yet. But sure enough, right at 6 or 7 a.m. Eastern time, we had a pop above VWAP. And I bought the breakouts at 575. My target was definitely over 6, and I had a daily resistance level marked here at 620. Once it broke 6, that became my risk level. And as soon as I saw it beginning to fail and fall back down, I went ahead and got out at 609. That was the BIMI trade. Next trade took place on ARTL at the open. However, I did make an alert to actually buy the breakout here at 245 on ARTL. I missed the original breakout, the one that I wanted to buy at 245, and ended up deciding to not chase. I also alerted the breakout at 280, but also didn't buy that one for the same reason. I missed the original breakout here at 245. So I ended up not getting any of this pre-market action here on ARTL, but I did buy on this little opening spike. Ended up really trading this opening spike not as good as I could have. My plan was to buy the break at 350, but it moved very quickly and I missed it. Ended up buying at 373. At that point, I was just worried about getting dumped on since my fill was so bad. Didn't really think it would break 4. Ended up breaking 4, but I got out at 389, and soon after it spiked to 442. But it's still a winning trade. Little bonus trade to throw on the side. Same thing that the other 2 trades actually were just pretty much little bonus trades. Would have been much bigger winners. Ended up getting out a little too early. On OPGN, began popping up on the scanners. I caught it once it made this big move towards 223. Pulled back. I was looking for a 2 breakdown, actually getting short. But once I saw it holding 2 and break 205, I alerted the 205 breakout as well as a 220 breakout. Once I got in at 205 and I saw this move up, I decided to use 210 as my level to get out at, my cutoff level. Ended up coming on back down to 210. I got out, and once I got out, I actually ended up spiking a lot. So I ended up getting out early on OPGN as well, but still a nice little win there. Wasn't able to catch too many midday fades today. I was looking to short OPGN right here at the top once I saw this big wick back. Ended up not getting in. Happened very quickly. I wanted it to move a little bit higher so that I could risk the high of day. Once I saw this dump, I didn't really want to have a 40-cent risk or a 30-cent risk on it. But ended up moving down really nicely. That brings us on to the last trade of the day towards the close. He had SXTC. Started to get it is moving up pretty much all day. There's a higher float stock. Once I saw this rejection towards this daily resistance level, I then shorted it, risking that 148. So I shorted 143, risking 148. Wanted 130, or I really wanted VWAP, but I didn't think I would get it. So 130 was definitely my first target, or 130 washout. I ended up coming on down to 135, and then I closed it off for on like a 2-cent share gain on the move back up. So I was very picky today with the setups that I took, but I'm pretty happy with the performance overall. Still made about 12 or 13%, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed the recap and look forward to the next one, and I'll catch you guys soon.